guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine tier tray haul for you. If you're new to my channel, I do kind of a crafty tier tray setup with all of my supplies that I'm using for that month or that season. And I just put away all my Christmas, and I really didn't transition into winter, going straight to Valentine's Day. So this is kind of just what's in my stash. I don't have very much. Those of you who've watched my other hauls or my other crafty tier tray videos will probably notice that there's not as much in here. And then I'll show you what I have left of my collection that I'm using. I'm just using last year's Happy Hearts collection, and I have very little paper left from that collection, but I'll show you that in a minute. So let's go ahead and just start at the bottom of the tier tray. So I was in a couple Valentine's Day swaps last year, so I have just received a lot of different punch outs, die cuts here that are going to be great for layering. And so I just kind of put those all together here. Got some Valentine words here. I'm going to take out these wood pieces and put those someplace else. But this is a really different one. I haven't seen that lettering before, and that gold on there is super pretty with the lines in the background. It looks like kind of like it's textured, so I really like that. Here's just some regular words, a little ticket, a spoon, hello crafty friend, that says. There's just a little coffee cup there. So I have these here to try and use, like I said, in some layering projects. Here are some that are kind of put together already. So here's a couple bows that I received. This one has a little charm hanging off of it there. This little heart I received, this little cupcake, this coffee cup, and then I can put one of these spoons with it. You know, if I want to. This is a small spoon. I think there's a bigger one, but you know, I can put that with that. Here's a little jar. I think that's super cute, that mason jar, and look at it, it has that same textured gold paper on it. I absolutely love it. I have these rosettes that I made that I can use with something. This is one of Crate Paper's really old collections, and somebody tell me what this is. I don't remember off the top of my head. All heart? No, not all heart. Maybe it is all heart. I don't remember. If you know, let me know down below. And then a little sewn vellum heart here. So I'd like to use those pieces somehow in my projects. Turning, this is just some stuff that I pulled from my Valentine bin. I did not go through like my actual ribbons. So I have some Valentine twine here. I think that is from last year. It's in like a hot pink, a red, and then the like baker's type twine. This one is the red and white. This is the hot pink and white. And then I've got this pink fuzzy trim. This was from, I think, the Easter trim that I hauled from Dollar Tree. This is just the hot pink that came from that. I did pick up another pack of these elastics this year, and it looks like I have one left. This one is a little bit smaller, so I think this one is from someplace else. This might be Dollar General or Target, one of those two. I have some ribbon here that was gifted to me that I can reuse. This also was gifted that I'd like to reuse, and then this really pretty pink with red hearts. So I got that there. This little tray, this is where I can put some sequin mixes together or some wrapped beads, but I've got these little snails that I ordered off AliExpress. I think those are super cute, and with the white, I think it'll really look cute with a pink and red mix inside. I've got this little rose container here. There's another little snail. I've got these little containers that I got from AliExpress as well. They are like a little circle, and then you can put a, oh, I thought those would fit. This, I don't think that's gonna fit in there. So, you know, you can put a stick in here and you make it look like a lollipop. These are really dirty and need to be cleaned. Didn't notice that. Most they're scratched up. I'll have to look. No, it looks like it might be just dust. So I'll have to clean those up. But I've got 3 of those. These sucker sticks aren't gonna work. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby in like a pastel variety, but they're not gonna work, shoot. But I will find something. I think I probably have a skewer, a barbecue skewer or something that'll fit in there, and then I can wrap it with washi or ribbon. So got those there. I've got these 2 glittered tulle from last year. I did not open them at all, so there's 3 yards on each. So it's a light pink with hot pink glitter, and then the kind of fuchsia color with the same color glitter on there. I've got these little seed beads that I put together. They came in an entire package that I was gifted, and I pulled the pink out and used them for something else, but I have the red here to use. I've got this little red heart ornament that I can use, and I'm actually going to put these, I just have a couple wood pieces and a couple of these holographic hearts that I'll just put down here. I've got a ton of washi tape, so I'd like to maybe make some cards or something to use the washi, or maybe do some journaling. So I've got all of these. I pulled those out. All right, that's my bottom tray. The middle tray, I've got these toothpicks from Dollar Tree last year. I think, were these Dollar Tree? Yes. I know Hobby Lobby had some too. So pink, red, and gold here. I've got a little bubble here that I'll probably empty out and clean out, and then put some sequins in there. Here's just some ephemera pieces that don't really go with any collections that I have. These are little heart frames that I picked up, I think, at Michael's. I've got a lot of different ephemera pieces that have this craft paper background, and then just this pink and like aqua blue with it, and gold accents. I don't have any paper to really match that, but I was thinking I'd make some cards. These are some big ephemera pieces that came from somewhere also. I've got some that are chipboard. Those all kind of coordinate together. They have some that come in these big card type pieces. These would be good for journaling as well. Yeah, but then I've got these big pieces here too. I think these might be Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't remember. I've had these for several years, but those all came in a big pack. That goes with this. And then I have 2 of these heart takes left. So I've rolled these over so many years that I would really like to use those up this year. And like I said, even if it's just a bunch of Valentine's Day cards with these, I would definitely like to add that to my to-do list for this year. Okay, moving on, I've got some sequin mixes here. I was gifted this really pretty pink and gold one. I was gifted this one in this adorable jar with the charms on it. Look at the phone and the little Valentine love note. But that is really cute. There's like cutout hearts. I love that mix. I've got this mix. This I just put together. It's actual X's and O's and hearts that were in a sequin mix. And then the beads are actually X, O's, and hearts. So I have that I can add to something. I've got these pink hearts here that I actually picked up at Michael's, but I'm going to be recreating something like this. So stay tuned for that. I was gifted these bubblegum beads, and these little beads here, they were candy wrapped, but I opened them up and thought I could use them for something. And then I have this sequin mix that is more like a starter mix. It's very plain. I put this together myself, I think, but it is pink and white mostly, so I think I can use this as a good base for something and add some other colors to it. Okay, the last little tray on this level, I've got these little gnomes that I was gifted, little Valentine gnomes. I think those are so cute. I've got these paper clips. They came in a 6-pack. I cut them apart because I know that I'm in one Valentine's Day swap right now, and I'm going to gift 1 row of this to each recipient. Got a little butterfly here, pink and yellow. And then I also was gifted these little doodle pops. Aren't those so cute? I think these will go on the cards as well. I think they go really nice with those ephemera pieces that I had. So just have those tucked aside. Okay, the top tray is just some miscellaneous stuff. I have these hearts that came from Dollar Tree. I've got these ribbon trims ready to go. I don't like how this looks with this pink back here. I think it needs reds and whites, not different shades of pink. So I'll probably take these off and use them for something else. This one I'll probably leave on, but then this needs to be decorated. That's way too plain for me. I made this so I can, talk bad about it. And then I've got these doilies, I think from Dollar Tree, but I've got the pink, white, and red version of those. Got some Jen Hadfield Peaceful Heart collection. These are just little, almost like enamel dots, but they're hearts. Okay, here I have 2 of the Dollar Tree kissing booths that I was able to pick up. And then I have 2 of the Chaos Crafty kissing booth punch outs as well that I have mounted already. And these are all the pieces that go with it. So like the banner, etc. So I can make these 2 up using these, but I would like to kind of take these and jazz them up a little bit too. I don't like these hearts on it. I'll probably pop those off, and I'm not sure what else I'll do, but I pulled them out to do something with them. And then lastly in the tray, I've just got some things that were gifted to me last year. I've got these Hobby Lobby Paper Studio stickers here that are foiled and puffy. I've got these really cute little envelopes with the hearts inside. I've got little heart jemmies. Got these foiled type hearts that are like ombre. They start with a red and they go up to a really light pink. I've got these hearts that are glittered, and then the banners as well. You can see those. Just came in a pack. And then I've got these little tiny doilies. So I've got these all that I can use. So as far as like embellishments, I feel like I have enough to work with. I don't need any extras as far as this goes. So I probably won't be buying a whole lot of Valentine things this year, but I'm definitely going to need some paper. So like I said, I'm working with the Happy Hearts collection. And then I was gifted this, or I bought this, I don't remember. But I have these puffy stickers that kind of go with it, so I've been using those with it. And then I've got some enamel dots that match. I've got some ephemera pieces left. These aren't the journal bits, I don't think. They're the other ones. I just combined them both together. So the journal bits have kind of the larger pieces in there. So you can see like the tape deck, the label pieces, some banners and tags, and these are more of like the little ephemera pieces. So I have those left. Got the decorative brads, got the puffy stickers, got the foam stickers, and I have the chipboard stickers. So I definitely have enough of this stuff. I don't think I need to buy any of that. I've got these thickers from very long ago that I can use that are just in gold. Here are some stickers I was gifted last year as well. These are like the Dollar Tree collection, so I have those. I've got these that have like the gold accents on them. These have holographic accents. And then these are like the puns. Those are so cute. So I have those I can work with as well. So let me get these out of the way. All right, and then in here, I just put some extra. I have a ton of extra doilies here, and one more thing. Oh, I have these larger doilies. I think these were from Target last year. These are 3 different sizes, but these are such good quality. Really thick, nice pieces. So I have these little pink ones that would be great for layering, like that. Got these white ones that have like the heart border, and then I have these larger red ones. Like I said, they're pretty thick, so these are nice to use for back pieces. So I've got those as well. I just kind of put them in with my paper to keep all that extra stuff together. All right, this is really all that I have left for the paper. So I've got these little pieces, which I definitely can use, these little ones. So I have some extra pieces in here. I pulled a shiny pink and a shiny orange to kind of go with the collection, and then like this acetate piece that has the white polka dots on it. Some of these are double-sided. I don't have any full pieces at all, so this is basically it for the paper. And then this is just the front of the collection kit, and then I have this left for stickers. So what I think my plan is going to be, I'm only in one swap so far right now, but I think I'm just going to order a 6x8 pad of this collection, and that's it. And then I'm just going to work through that, because then next year I can buy a new collection and I won't feel guilty about it, but I want to use up what I have here. So that is it for my Valentine's Day tier tray. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please link them down below. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.